Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how we can change the battery in this Chevy Corvette key fob here. It works for these models 2014 and 2019 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is press this button over here. See? This button over here. Now you need to press it, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove this mechanical key out, take this fob now and now turn it with the buttons facing down, and right on this side you see this hole. You can take the small flat screwdriver or the tip of the mechanical key and insert it right in this hole, and when you insert it, twist it a little bit, push up, and the whole idea here to do that is just to separate this fob into two pieces. Right after that, on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this side that faces you is the negative side. So this step here is very important. Alright, and now when you insert the battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly here like this, all corners to match perfectly, everything have to snap together nicely, and just snap them together. And now when you snap them together like this, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning here, and when you do that, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.